All right, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine and CES 2022. We're at PepCom, and we're here looking at Roborock. They make a lot of vacuums. They make a lot of course, robotic vacuums. We got the hand vacuums as well. So this is the X7 MaxV Ultra. This is a full system for cleaning your home, of course. Of course, we have the robotic vacuum right here. Absolutely cool. We'll look at that in a minute, but this is where everything is coming in. This is not out yet. It's expected to come out in Q2, and the whole idea is the vacuum, just like with any other cleaning receptacle, the vacuum will come up here, and then it will empty out into the garbage. However, this is a water tank, and this is a discarded water tank. So what happens is, whereas your trash gets put into here, over here, it'll refill the tank with water, and then it'll take out the dirty water and put it right here. There's a little thing that goes across here that when the vacuum's on, it'll actually clean the bottom of the vacuum. And then, of course, when this is away, it'll clean itself. So, and you only have to fill this water tank every 60 days. And then, of course, discard the water when you do. Let's take a look at the bottom of this vacuum. As you can see, we have one sweeper brush right there. Of course, the standard 3-wheel system. Notice how this is actually a little bit smaller than a lot of other vacuums, but the whole idea is that it gets all the dirt and everything like that into this area, so it doesn't need that much width to get everything going from there. Plus, it's rubber brushes. How good is this on picking up hair?
The design of this is basically meant to prevent hair tangling.
Okay.
So with the brushes, you get a lot of hair, in between it. So this design actually makes sure everything goes to the side, and it's easy to just disintegrate it.
Okay, so you just basically pop it off every month or something like that, and go from there. Right. So, all right. Well, that's the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. Right. It's a big name for it. It's amazing that what these things can do, and this is a 60-day cycle right here. So you'll be able to sit there and just create or be able to vacuum and set up schedules. It's got the LiDAR on the top, so you can turn around and map out your home and tell it where to go, where not to go. All the stuff that the robot vacuums are known to do in this day and age. So this is the Roborock. It's going to be available in Q2, $1,399. So you can look out for it over at Roborock. And when it comes out, I'll let you guys know. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. We got a lot more content. CES 2022, the Masked Edition. We got check everything out, and we'll see you next time. Until then, you guys geek out.